this one church town. There's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it...
Hi, welcome to Buckshot Chronicles. I don't know what to say.
Perfect. So, everybody, this is the famous Titi. The one who we call all the time. Who Ruby talks to all the time. So this is the famous Titi. This is my eldest sister. So, I only have one sister. So...
I was like, how many sisters do you have?
No, so this is my sister. Kind of Irish twins. We're a little over a year apart. So, but no, we get along great. You know, I'm so glad she's here with us. So we're going to take her to the land. We're going to do just a little bit of bow hunting. I'm not too super excited about what's going to happen. I mean, it's snowing right now, and it's cold, and it's been really warm. So that cold front usually kind of shuts them down, but she's here, so we're going to do it. We're going to have fun.
Yes.
There's always a chance. There's always a chance of getting something, so you got to be positive. So but I'm just excited to have her here, and so we are taking her. We were going to take her to the farmhouse, but Ruby really wants to go to the Bohemian
Rhapsody
Bakery and Restaurant because she loves their danishes. So we're going to go there first, and then maybe we'll hit the farmhouse tomorrow or something like that. And then we're going to go set up the ground blind, and we're going to do a little hunting. Then we're going to go back and be with the family this afternoon. So when we get to the Bohemian Restaurant, Bakery, Rhapsody, we will bring you back.
I don't care what my headstone reads or what...
So it's finally stopped snowing that we finally get here, but it's so cold. So this is the Bohemian Ovens Bakery and Restaurant. This is Ruby's favorite place. We're going to sit down and have a Danish and a coffee, and then we're going to go and do our hunting thing.
On the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a fin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah. Hey everybody. We're in a box blind. Or ground blind actually. So you can kind of see it's kind of a mesh. It's got a mesh that you can shoot through. So we're hoping a deer comes by. We're gonna be here about an hour or so. And if something comes by, hopefully we'll have some dinner tonight. Alright guys, later.
Hey family and friends, this is me and my niece Ruby. We're in a blind and we're not allowed to make noise. Did you just... Hey family and friends, this is me and my niece Ruby. We're in a blind and we're not allowed to make noise. Did you just...
An old man turned 98. He won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black fly in your Chardonnay. It's a death row pardon, 2 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic?